One aspect of finance is dealing with different time periods. Normally, interest rates are in years, but not always. It is important that time and the time part of the interest rates are in the same unit. So the formula we're going to meet for simple interest is I is equal to PRT divided by 100. Here, R is the interest rate and T is the time. You cannot have a rate in months and a time in years. They need to match. This can be done either as a decimal or a fraction, but fractions can be more accurate, especially when we have recurring decimals, so I recommend fractions. The reason for this is that when we have a recurring decimal, it can really make a difference how we round it, especially if we are calculating over a long period of time or doing subsequent calculations. For example, how would we represent 2/3? 0.66, 0.67, that's obviously better than 0.66 because it's a correct rounding to 2 decimal places, or 0. Lots of 6's and then a 7. If we use 2/3, it is exact and raises no problems, so it's best just to use the fraction. The following conventions regarding time periods are used in this work. So 1 year is always going to be equivalent to 365 days. We're not going to include leap years unless specified. A year is 52 weeks. A fortnight is 2 weeks, so a year is 26 fortnights. A year is 12 months, and there are 4 quarters in a year. Just think of the meaning of the word quarter.